Introduction. Researchers intentionally alter the fabric type to assess its impact on student sewing time. Different fabric qualities, thickness, smoothness, may influence the speed of the sewing process. Fabrics can be broadly categorized into natural and synthetic type, each offering unique properties and uses. Natural fabrics include cotton, linen, silk, and wool, known for their breathly comfort and often reducible. Synthetic fabrics, such as flare, nylon, and spandex, are valued for their durability, stress, and resistance to friction. Sewing time refers to the total duration required to complete a sewing task or garment, consistent from the initial needle entry to the fabric of the final stitch. Sewing time is considered a dependent variable because its outcome that change varies depending the type fabric used. Independent variable.
This is study to find out the effect of fabric type of the sewing time of the grade 12 dressmaking student in the certain of fabric school in Arayat. Typically, it will answer the following question. 1. What type of fabric have you used the sewing project? 2. In your experience, which fabric take the longest time to sew? 3. What factor affect your sewing project the most? 4. How many minutes did it take to complete in your sewing project using the fabric? 5. Which fabric do you find the assist to sew? Statement of problem. Describe what your research is trying to find out or solve. In your study, focus on how different type of fabric affect on sewing time of the grade 12 dressmaking student.
Significance of the study. This study is significant because it will benefit students by helping them understand which fabric are easier or harder to sew. Teachers can use the finding to improve teaching strategies in dressmaking. Parents may also gain awareness for child's skills and challenges to swim. Lastly, future researchers can use this study as a reference for related investigation.
Scope and delimitation. The research investigates how different fabric time, cotton, silk, and denim impact the sewing time of grade 12 TBL dressmaking student at Camba National High School. During the 2025-2026 school year, the student will create standard blouse pattern and the study will measure the time it takes to complete the project with each fabric. The study is limited to Camba National High School. The specific fabric types and the creation of a standard blouse pattern it will level for different sewing project. The goal is the relationship between fabric type and sewing time within this specific context.
Design. This study uses a quasi-experimental research design to determine the effect of fabric type of sewing time of grade 12 TBL dressmaking student. This includes comparing the time it takes students to complete the sewing task using different types of fabric and proper condition of the machine so that the fabrics are beautiful and marketable. Explanation. This study uses a quasi-experimental design to find out how different types of fabric affect the sewing time of grade 12 TBL dressmaking students. It's compare how long students take the some tasks using different types of fabric, ensuring that the machines are in good condition to produce neat and marketable outputs so that more can be sold.
The respondents are the grade 12 PBL students participating in the dressmaking program. They are the individuals who will be sewing the garment. This experience, observation, and the time they record will be the primary data for your study. These are the students who will have the necessary skills and experience with different fabrics to provide relevant and reliable data for your research on sewing time. These are the individuals who will be handling the different fabrics and whose sewing time will be measured to determine the impact of fabric time. Explain. The slide identifies grade 12 PBL dressmaking students as respondents for a study on how fabric type impact sewing time.
Stopwatch or digital timer, sewing time measurement tool. Function. This is the core data collection instrument. It provides a precise objective measurement of performance. Why it is essential? Accuracy. It removes subjective estimation, giving a reliable, quantifiable metric time in minutes or seconds for how quickly the task was complete. Consistency. By stopping the timer strictly at the defined start end points of the sewing action, you ensure that the same measurement criteria are applied to every student and every fabric. Assessment. The recorder time is the primary variable used to compare student performance and to determine the fabric are easier or more difficult to work.
When studying the effect of fabric type on the sewing time of grade 12 dressmaking student, ethical consideration include ensuring student well-being by avoiding overly difficult or unsafe materials, obtaining informed consent for participation, respecting their privacy, or fairly reporting results without bias. Ethical consideration in research proposal. Ethical considerations are crucial in research, especially when human subjects are involved in the context of studying the effect of fabric quality on the durability of fashion uniforms. In JJO Enterprise cases, several ethical considerations should be addressed. Informed contest ensure that participants are fully informed about the research they're involved and any potential risk obtain their voluntary and consent to participate. Privacy and confidentiality safeguards the privacy of participants and ensure that any personal information collected is kept confidential. Beneficiaries and non-beneficiaries strive to maximize benefits and maximize harm to participants and other affected parties. Respect for participants. Treat participants with respect, ensuring their autonomy and dignity are upheld throughout the research process. Fair treatment ensure that all participants are treated fairly and without discrimination. Compliance with regulation. Adhere to all relevant laws, regulations, and ethical guidelines governing research involving human subjects. Conflict and interest. Disclose any potential conflicts and interests that could influence the research outcomes or participants' well-being. Data management. Safely and responsibly manage all data collected, ensuring its according security and appropriate use.
When studying the effect of fabric type on the sewing time of grade 12 dressmaking student, ethical consideration include ensuring students' well-being by avoiding overly difficult or unsafe materials, obtaining informed consent for participation, respecting their privacy, and fairly reporting results without bias. Example: the researcher must make sure the participants are safe and comfortable during the experiment. This means avoiding the use of fabrics that are too difficult, dangerous, or cause stress or injury, e.g. very thin slippery materials that could lead to sewing accidents.